So if you have that blue tropical vibe going on in your backyard, here you go. Look, one lit up. This is the white light. I am so late to the party, late to the game. I'm sure so many people are like, girl, we seen those last week. We seen those a month ago. There's a TikTok on it. Hey guys, it's Ellen. I am headed to the Dollar Tree located Sugar Land, Texas. But this location is River Park. So yeah, I'm doing a weekly trip to Dollar Tree because I just discovered again how much great things that they have. And this one is a super duper big Dollar Tree. Their wind chimes are $3. And their picture frames, photo frames. Okay. How much are they? $1.50 a piece and $3 for these, which are shadow boxes. So they do have that bumblebee glass and plateware. Yes, so pretty for $1.50 a piece. And they have the chargers that you can use for the holidays, 2 different types. Okay, look at the plates, the bumblebee plates. Okay guys, let me take you through their flatware section. Sunflowers and black and red and white and bumblebees and blue please and greens and reds and plastic down there. But this is all ceramic dinnerware for $1.50. How pretty. I'm so late to the party. Again, so I'm in Sugar Land, Texas, River Park area. Okay. So for your party supplies, they have a lot of beautiful things that you can use every day in your patio and backyard, right? So if you have that blue tropical vibe going on in your backyard, here you go. Okay, and these are only $1.50. These are so cute. And if you're a purple queen, you love purple, these are beautiful. And they have the pink ones as well. And then how cute would this look for the kiddies or for the adults? Okay, so you don't just need it for party decor. You have a great selection of these cups here that you can use for table decor. For your everyday patios, something like this on the table would look spectacular. And look at these everyday dispensers. It's not just for parties. They're for every day in your patio, on your patio, on your balcony. You can have this. It makes things look so much prettier. Okay? And then look at this. Crab plates for $1.50. Yes. Oh, and they have the trays. They have the drying mat. Oh, these are so cute. These make great gifts as well. And then they have these as well. So this is like everyday decor. You don't just need it for, look at how cute, for your parties, but when company comes over, having these pretty little things out makes all the difference. Makes you want to go out in your backyard, risk the mosquitoes. Okay, so we have watermelon. Okay, watermelon plates. How pretty is this? $1.50. There's only the drying mat left and the plastic table cover. We won't probably need that, but for every day, oh my gosh, I want to pick up a few plates. Okay, so cute indeed. And then you have your red dispenser, but look at this. Hold on. So here are your watermelon dispensers, your citrus plates. So cute. Okay, I may have said watermelon plates before, but your citrus plates, your watermelon, your designs, so cute, right on time for the spring and summertime. Life is so sweet. So sweeter. It's so much sweeter, I should say. Okay, with Dollar Tree and their beautiful looking design. They have an abundance of water bottles. So cute. Stay hydrated for the summer. so these are all the mugs, the ceramic travel mugs. Oh, do they have an L for me? For y'all that don't know, my name, I call myself L, or people call me L because all my names start with an L, so I am looking for an L. There's a T. But there are no L's. Okay, it's all right. My name is Leslie. Okay, and look at the glass. So pretty. Ooh. Look at this. Look at that. They only have the dinner plates, so I'm guessing those were gone. Okay, so you have all the kitchen here. Oven mitts for $1.50. That is such a great deal. In the other stores, they had the plates to these, the Mediterranean collection. I showed it to you in the last video. Please check that out because they're really pretty. I think this is the best way coming to Dollar Tree to replenish your glassware. Okay, if you need just a couple more, it's the perfect way, and they're so attractive. Okay, great way to replenish. Look at these down here, really pretty, all for $1.50. And your baking supplies for $5. These jars are great. These canisters for $5 and $7. Really cool. Liking those. Can you see it? Really cool. Okay, so they're dinnerware and textiles. There's a little bit more over here. Really pretty. They have the bowls left, and I don't see any cups, but they do have these glasses. These are really great for outdoor, and it's all $1.50. A lantern alert, $5. Light up your life for $5, $3. Bigger ones for $5. Pair them together. Here you go. There you go. How cutie patootie is that? And you can do a solar light. You don't have to do a lit candle. You could do solar lights. And then if you want to do, they're lightweight. It doubles up for summer and for the holidays. Great buys. Okay, there you go. Faces, these are my favorite. The cylinders, they're $5 a piece. I believe that they make much more of a statement, but look at these blue and white glass vases for $5. Yes, they have the white ones too, but the blue and white, again, if you're sprucing up your home and you're on a budget, this is perfect. So this is what's in stock, other than what I showed you before. These are the florals. I'll go slow. One of the things that I've been doing lately is collecting rainwater from my plants for two reasons. Rainwater, it's a lot healthier. We know it has all the nutrients in it, right? And two, it saves me on my water bill. So I needed something to put it in because it was just like a last minute thought, like, why am I throwing out this water from collecting in my pots? So I'm gonna get one of these bins that are either $5, but I need something with a cover, right? Because I don't want debris or pests or, attract mosquitoes. So I need something with a cover. These smaller ones here come with covers. And this is aesthetically pleasing. I love the color. I may pick up these. So storage is not a problem here at Dollar Tree. You have this pretty color here. I'm sure that these little ones can fit underneath the bed. Also have stackables. Dollar Tree has so much. I am so late to the party, late to the game. I'm sure so many people are like, girl, we seen those last week. We seen those a month ago. There's a TikTok on it. So I love to take a look at the gardening stuff when I come. And this is a bulb cedar. Don't know how to use that. Never used it, but I will be learning. And then they do have these lights here that are probably anywhere from $3 to $6. They're $3. They have a cultivator and hoe here. It's like that for $3. So if you're into gardening like I am, there's a gardening tote. There's a folding prune saw, which I bought. It's $5. Ooh, they have citronella candles for $7. $5 would have been better. They have some more of the stake lights, solar lights. Okay, they're actually $6. Yes, I actually bought some last week. They have some more solar decor for $4. And pattern water wand. So I guess you attach it to the hose and then you stick it in the ground and it turns all around. Pattern water wand. Okay. And they have a picnic fan for $5. And of course they have those lanterns that I shared the last time that were $6, so it's perfect for home decor. Mini lights that are not solar for $6. Metal rain chain, I just bought one from Amazon for $10. And more solar disco stake lights for $5. Solar rope lights, 50 lights for $6. Solar post cap light for $6. And then the remote control solar spotlight for $6. And the neon wall light for $5. So they have different ones. Okay, so these are so cool. They have solar lanterns for $1.50. So if you really want to spruce up your patio, backyard, and landscaping, you can get these, okay? For $1.50. And then they have some solar lanterns for over here for $1.50. Different colors, cute for the kids. And you want to get a little fancier, they have these things. These are so cute. They're really light, so they're plasticky. And then they have these solar lanterns for $1.50. I may pick up some of these. These are pink lights. These are great. Oh, look, one lit up. This is the white light. Oh, I want some of the white light. Actually, I'm gonna get 3 of these white lights. Okay, for $1.50. $1.50. Okay. And then they have the solar flower stake lights and the solar table lamp, and both are $1.50. And then they have ladybugs. Oh, how cute. My daughter would love me to bring this home for $1.50. Maybe I'll get those and some of the lanterns. Okay. And then they have these for $1.50 and those regular ones for $1.50. There's a lot of variety. And of course you can't forget your garden gloves. Pampas stems, also known as plumes. Great for fanning. Great for decor. That green color is really special. They have them for $5 here. 48 inches long. Okay, guys. Oh, definitely need a new water bottle for my son. He keeps breaking these and doing all kinds of things, so I'll get him a new water bottle. And these are $7, the ones that stay cold. So I found these LED tubular pillar candles. I guess they're battery operated for $5. So the Americana holidays are coming up. Decorative balloons and water dispensers or liquid dispensers. It comes with cups for $5, and then you have your light up hats for $3. So everything you need for the Memorial Day and 4th of July holidays, or any day. Really cute. You got your flags for $175 and your pinwheels for $150. And look guys, there's like a whole aisle of decor for the holidays. Home of the Brave. Red, white, and blue. And then you have these are cute. Your plates and stuff. And these are $150, guys. $150 for a pack of plates. How many plates do you get? 6 plates. You store a lot of food on there. Okay, 6 plates, and these are 16 paper plates. Is that for $1.50 as well? Oh, look at these cups. I wonder how much these are. Oh, I don't know how much these are. It doesn't say. But if it was $150, it will be great. Got to find out. Can't believe I forget to go to Dollar Tree for all of these things that my kids throw in the garbage. However, these are great for the grill. Okay, so they're telling people not to use black utensils, things that are all black, because there's a chemical. So you know what? Come here and stack up, replenish, replace. A pizza cutter. Yes. So they're telling people don't use these, right? So the old-fashioned ones are the way to go, and it's perfect for the outdoor grill. Okay, ice cream scoop. Okay guys, so that's it for me. This is all that's at Dollar Tree. They do have some mats here. Okay, I'm just making sure I didn't miss anything, but I think that's all she wrote in this particular Dollar Tree. That's just the basics, and of course we all need toiletries, paper plates, and so forth. That's it. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Ooh, contact paper. Yes. Bye bye.